Look at that. I thought that was sweet, so I ordered that. What's going on, everybody? It's your boy Yancy Reacts HD, back with another video. Hey, if you're new to the channel, if you're new to the gang, go ahead, subscribe and that thing, and make sure you hit that post notification bell and select all so you can stay tuned to all of the latest videos. Video, I'm gonna show you guys how to exchange or replace the backplate on a Glock 19 or any Glock. So first, take this off and make sure it's not loaded. Remove the mag, make sure nothing's inside, and then you want to always make sure you squeeze the trigger and have it already, you know, back so nothing can happen or whatever. And then I think you're supposed to have it back anyway. So anyways, you pull this back, not even a whole inch, like a half an inch. You pull the slide back and you release it. Release the slide, take the slide completely off. See that? Okay, now you have, let me see. In here, there's like a little piece you have to, let me see if I can get the focus to operate. Okay, it's a little piece in here that I have to pull down, and I'm gonna use like a little screw to do that. I don't have the proper tool to do it, but we're gonna make it work. Pull that down, and then you just slide the back plate back. Will hold your thumb on it so that the spring don't pop out. Okay, now we have that old back plate out, as you can see. Alright, so now I just ordered a brand new back plate. Let me share that with y'all just a second. Alright, you guys, so I'm back. We have that new back plate. Let's open that up. All right, so we have that brand new, I don't know if y'all can see it, that brand new 007 back plate. I thought that was pretty cool, so I went along and I went ahead and got that one. Excuse me. So let's take this out here. All right, you guys, so now that I have that back plate, let's put it on. All right, so obviously you take it, and you place it here. You press down here, get that first piece through, and then you would press again here on this second piece, and then just slide it all the way back till it snaps in, and boom. That's how you put a back plate on the slide of a Glock 19. And now it's ready to use. Look at that. I thought that was sweet, so I ordered that. But yeah, man, that's how you change the back plate on a Glock. If you like this video, please be sure to give this video a million thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe, and please make sure you comment. Hey, I need those comments. Make sure you comment. But yeah, I'm really liking this, loving it. Make sure you hit that subscribe button.